Hi, me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Part two, just real quick. I know he said he was going to print these on a t-shirt, so don't forget to fill those in with white, unless it's going to be a white t-shirt. So all you have to do is take the Smart Fill tool, set on white, and it makes it really pop. And since I went back and reread his email to send him the link to the video, and he might want those colors. So all you have to do is just change those colors. And because they are all one piece basically now, because we welded it, you could take and make it whatever color you wanted just by like that, because it's all one piece. And if you remember in part one, we welded it. And of course, at that time, you might go to object order, front of page. You might want to change this line to whatever color you want it to be. You know, it could be that same orange. And you could make that line thicker if you wanted to stand out a little bit more. Anyway, just making sure he remembers to do that before he prints it. Hope that helps. Thank you for watching.